All right, so we're wrapping up a couple of days of our annual instructor training, where we have instructors from all over the state that came down here to Nashua Community College to get together and get some technical updates, as well as some tips and tricks that they can use in the classroom.
I'm just gonna be honest, okay? ASE, our goal for the process is to help a program improve.
Very informative, awesome presenters, and just it's well worth the time to come down and sit in class and be a student.
My name is Marlon Miranda from the ASE Education Foundation, and I really enjoyed being with the guys here in New Hampshire and talking about accreditation best practices, classroom best practices, even lesson planning and planning your week, and even some things to help them figure out how to get their students excited about their program.
Very good. This is my second time coming. It's been getting better every time I come.
We also had the chance to go out and check out our new career exploration trailer, where the instructors got a hands-on experience inside the trailer as well as the RC cars, and give it a good dry run so that we can now bring that into communities across the state.
Got my eyes for the first time on the NHADA career trailer. It looks great. I'm sure they had a lot of help and support putting that together, but it's great for the students and even the younger middle schoolers to get their hands on some stuff, get their eyes on stuff.
It's very interactive. Students definitely like hands-on stuff. I've noticed in the last couple of years of teaching, so I think anything they can get their hands on and kind of see how things work, it's a good thing. I hope to see it, be able to travel around and go to different schools and see how well it works.
Go get your car, go get your car!
Like I said, another great weekend. Thank you for all the support.